Okay, and this is I will show you. So kid has to take one and put it like this, and from both the hands take it and keep it on one by one like this. Okay, so for us it may look easy, but for kids arranging like this is bit difficult. Okay, through this they are concentrating only on the ice sticks. Okay, so through that their concentration will improve and balancing will also improve. Or they may take like this. Let them do whatever the way they can. So don't stick on like do like this only. Give it to them. Let them do however they want. If it falls like this, again they need to start from the beginning. So this is how it is, and you can teach your kids the colors of the sticks so that they are familiar with colors also. This is one more. So what is this is a button. The kid has to do open and close. So through that they learn open and close, and how to do this is, so take two fingers, so put it, hold it like this and slightly do like this and open. Okay, same way. So they need to use these two fingers, then like this, and they should do like this. When they are doing like this, they are literally pressing this button very hard. Okay, through this what will happen, they will get a pencil grip. Okay, and their handwriting will also improve, and as well as the children who are starting to write, they will get a good pencil grip. So this is open, and again they need to close it. Hold the two things, and then they need to hold the button again like this. So like this. So they need to do open and close. So once they are practicing this, ask them to open and close the button from their shirts. So they really enjoy this doing, and it will be very fun for them. One more. So this is cloth stick, and these are all pom-poms. Okay, so what you should do is you can keep this in a box. Okay, and keep the bowl. So the bowl which we have given, they can keep this also, and both things, and they should hold it like this and press it. See, like this, and put it in the bowl. So again press it, take it, put it in the ground, press it, put it in the bowl. Okay, once they are done with right hand, ask them to do it from left hand. So take it and put it back. Take it and put it back. So once they are, when it becomes very easy for them to take this, then ask them to take the small object. Say for example, the kit we have given this straw sticks. So this also they can take it and do it. So through this again the acupuncture will create in these two fingers. Okay, their grip will enhance. So again, who are all writing for the first time, it will be very good for them. And when they are using their both the hands, okay, their activity, I mean what to say, they will improve in their mental balance also. So that is what will happen from this. So now one more is like this. This is the woolen thread and the sticks are here. Okay, in this also two different colors are there. So make them to separate the colors or ask them to do with only one color like that. So there are stages in this. So what they can do is hold the thread like this, take one and put it in this. Okay, then again take one more and put it. So for us it's easy, but believe me, for kids it's not at all easy. They really struggle to do this and they enjoy struggling. Okay, so this is what. So only one color is there. So you ask them, once they become familiar to put this, ask them to do only one color or mix with one this color, one this, and one more is different colors like this. So that otherwise ask them to put only 3, 4, so that through that you can teach them the number counting also. So this is what is there. With this the concentration will improve in the children. One is this activity. Okay, so what in this also you can introduce colors. You can introduce the colors, okay, and ask them to put it in one pin to another pin. So they need to hold it, they need to little bit press this, and then do it like this. So ask them to do it, they will find a way to do it, and they really enjoy if you leave them in a discovery mood. See, I myself struggling to put this. Okay, so they need to go on put this till it gets end. Okay, like this, and ask them to make it only red color. So in color wise category, all those things you can do. So this is one more activity. So another one is beads activity. Okay, so what you should do is keep the beads one side and open this paper. Okay, there is a, and ask them to stick it in one place, any place, on a table or wherever. This one stick is there along with this. Ask them to put that inside and ask them to put the beads into this. Like this. Okay, here also we have given colorful beads, so you can introduce the colors and ask the colors. If it fall down, then let them do from the beginning. So then ask them to count how many are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, or ask them to put only those many beads, so that they learn how to count the numbers. Then after completing, you can remove it or you can fix it in one place, so that whenever child wants to play, can play. Is alphabet activity. Okay, so actually normally in the initial stage, children struggle to identify the alphabets. They may say from A to Z, they may write from A to Z, but they struggle identify the middle alphabets. For that, this activity will really help them. So what you can do is pick anyone and ask them to put where it belongs. Okay, say for example, ask them what is this? D. So find out where is D, same like that. Oh, it is here, like that. Okay, then ask them to put A to Z, finding out where it is. So they will take this and they will find and they will keep it. Okay, A, B, what is this? O, like that. They will put it. and you can teach them the identification, and also if you want to teach the vowels, so which are all the vowels, take out, so they may take this and find out where it is. Okay, so they look for it. Okay, A, and you can teach them in a fun way. Okay, so this is how you can teach them the vowels, alphabets, identification and all. Okay. The last one, bowl activity, and this is very interesting and children love this. So what you can do is, let me use, this is the sponge you will get. I'm using the smaller one. So in these two bowls, what you can do is put the water in one bowl. So ask the child to dip it completely. Okay, dip it completely. Then take it and squeeze like this. Okay, so then again put it, dip it and squeeze it. Okay, so initially you keep the bowl like this, then make the distance. This will really help child to develop the concentration. Okay, when these both the hands are included, let me show you. So once this gets complete, okay, once child completes from one bowl, so ask the child to use the left hand also to make it like this. Okay, so through this, one is the concentration level will improve, the another one is brain will get activated as two or both the hands are in active mode. When these are in active mode, brain also will get activated, like right brain and left brain. Normally we use only right brain, so then our left brain is active. Okay, but when we use our left hand, then our right brain also will get activated. So this is how can improve, and also the muscle will develop through this, and their writing grip, everything will improve from this activity. Okay, this is how you can do. Children will enjoy this because first is a water and they enjoy a lot with water.